Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds, so open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application and then you will see them at the device list. Now scroll down, go to the version, and I check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, I recommend to update it, and in this window you can do this. Next step, in the application, I recommend to disable dual connection. So you need to find dual connection in the accessibility and disable it if you have it enabled. Also, you can disable LE audio, because with LE audio we may have connection instability. And only for Android devices you will have a line, I guess, Bluetooth quality, called something like this. So you need to enter and disable dock. And you can also disable aptX and check is it fixed. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and your earbuds now disconnected. Then you just open it, your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and you need to check is it fixed. If it doesn't, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside the case we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until you will see that the LED light flashed 3 times, so it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly, it entered to prank mode, so it starts blinking white. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Yeah. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to click Refresh, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!